Master My Life is launching MMLX online industry ready certifications program, the only certifications program in India which offers you job assistance as well. So we are coming up with 4 certifications program: emotional intelligence, neurolinguistic programming, marketing management, and human resource management. To be successful in your personal and professional life, it is not only the basic education or the degree in arts or commerce or science or the management is sufficient. You must have a marriage of your life skills with your management and the leadership skills. MML is a pioneer of emotional intelligence education in India. We are the designers and managers of world's first master degree in emotional intelligence. In MMLX certification of emotional intelligence, you are going to study with the master degree students of emotional intelligence. So number one, there is a great peer-to-peer learning. All the faculty of emotional intelligence program are experts in emotional intelligence who are already teaching postgraduate level students of emotional intelligence program for last 4 years. You will get a 24/7 access to all the emotional intelligence books, videos, articles. So you can study emotional intelligence not only during the class hours, but on a continuous basis. You will have the 24/7 access to the wisdom of emotional intelligence. Now, how we teach you emotional intelligence and how it is different from some of the global organizations who are also into emotional intelligence education. So the number one for us, emotional intelligence is not a separate part of life, whether it is a personal or professional life. For us, emotional intelligence is a piece of a puzzle. Without that piece, you cannot solve the puzzle. Application of emotional intelligence is in each and every corporate function. Whether you are working in marketing or in HR, in operations, in finance, in supply chain, in vendor development, procurement, in each and every function, it is the emotional intelligence which is going to help you in succeed in your career. So emotional intelligence is a certification which each and every graduate as well as working professional has to do if you are looking for prosperous corporate career as well as happy and fulfilled life. Neuro linguistic programming. Neuro is mind, linguistic is language, how to communicate, how to enhance your communication, and programming is how you program your mind for the welfare of yourself as well as welfare of others. The application of neuro-linguistic programming, like emotional intelligence, is into each and every facet of life. Whether you want to enhance your confidence, whether you want to enhance your public speaking skills, communication skills. NLP now is being taught by many international organizations, and if you have to do a simple 5-day program of NLP, you have to spend more than 80,000 rupees. So Master My Life is a part of the education ecosystem, and we are industry partners of University of Mumbai. So it is our endeavor to offer the best possible value to our students. And this is the reason why in India, first time there is a NLP certification, not of 5 days, but of 3 months period in a cost of only 25,000 rupees. That is, the cost is 1/4, but the teaching is 4 times more. If you are a fresher, graduate from any faculty like arts, commerce, science, or even management like BMS, and if you are looking for a job immediately after your graduation, then you must have some in-depth acumen about one of the functions of corporate. Now I take example of HRM certification. If you are looking for a job related to HR, this certification is going to greatly enhance your employability related to the HRM job. Now, what is this certification? For example, in year 2000, the HRM used to be mainly admin function, mainly a support function, and the syllabus of HRM used to be totally different. Now, HRM is a strategy function. HRM is a business function. HRM talks about diversity, inclusion. So unless you have a very specific acumen about HRM, you cannot succeed in any HRM interview. So this particular certification will upskill you in current as well as future trends of HRM. MMLX marketing certification is a integrated certification which upskills you in not only foundations of the sales and marketing but consumer psychology, strategic marketing, key account management, as well as marketing analytics. So these are the four areas what corporates are now looking for. So this particular ecosystem has been designed wherein your career development graph will be monitored by us. This is the reason why every 3 to 4 months we will come up with the new programs, with the programs which are needed by the corporates, the programs which are needed by you to upskill yourself to get promotions in your corporate life.